In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete documents in Appwrite. If you need to quickly remove all records from a data set in Appwrite, the most reliable way is to delete the table that contains them. Deleting a table removes every document inside it in one action, so this approach is perfect for resets, cleanups, or clearing test data. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in the Appwrite console, explain what to expect at each step, and share a few safety tips so you don't accidentally remove the wrong data. First, open the Appwrite console in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the workspace where your projects live. If you're setting this up for the first time, you can create a new project now and proceed from there. Otherwise, open the project that contains the data you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct environment, especially if you maintain separate projects for development and production. Deleting a table is permanent, so it's worth taking a second to double check. Once you're inside the project dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Databases. This is where Appwrite organizes your database resources, including the tables that hold your documents. The Databases section shows a list of tables for the currently selected database. If you manage more than one database, confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Next, select the table you want to delete. This is the table that contains the documents you intend to remove. Take a moment to verify the table name and, if needed, open it to review a few rows to confirm it's the correct data set. Remember, deleting a table will remove all of its documents, its schema, and related metadata. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or backing up your data first. With the correct table open, go to the Settings tab for that table. You'll find this in the table's top navigation within the console. The settings area includes configuration options as well as lifecycle actions, including deletion. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete Table. Appwrite groups destructive actions here to reduce the chance of accidental clicks. Click Delete. Appwrite will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is an extra safeguard to ensure you understand the impact of the action. Read the message carefully. It will clarify that the operation permanently deletes the table and all documents it contains. If this is exactly what you intend to do, select the checkbox acknowledging that you understand the consequences and then confirm. This typically looks like checking an I understand box and clicking a confirm button. After confirming, you'll see a final delete button to complete the action. Click delete to finalize. Appwrite will process the request and remove the table along with every document inside it. Depending on the size of the table, this should complete quickly and you'll be returned to the databases view where the table will no longer appear. A few best practices before we wrap up. First, ensure you have the proper permissions to delete tables in the project. If you don't see the delete option, you might need elevated access. Second, always verify you're in the correct project and database. It helps to compare the table name and, if applicable, the environment label before proceeding. Third, consider whether you need a full wipe. If you only want to remove a handful of records, deleting individual documents from the table view or using the API might be a better fit and less disruptive to your application. That's it. You've successfully deleted all documents in an Appwrite table by removing the table itself. This is the fastest way to clear data when you're certain it's no longer needed. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow anytime you need to reset test data or clear out a collection that's outlived its purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.